Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic many of you have asked about: how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Whether it's a message accidentally deleted or you're curious about what someone might have sent and deleted, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. First, understanding WhatsApp message deletion. WhatsApp messages are end-to-end encrypted, meaning once deleted, they're typically gone for good from your device. But fear not, you can use a third-party tool designed to help recover such data. For this tutorial, you need a computer and the software that is Fone Recover for iOS. Due to iOS iPhone's security protocols, Dr. Phone is one of the few tools capable of scanning and recovering deleted WhatsApp messages. First, head over to the official Dr. Phone website and download the software for your computer. You may need to follow the on-screen prompts to install Dr. Phone Recover iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a certified USB cable. Make sure to trust the computer on your iPhone if prompted. Launch Dr. Phone Recover iOS on your computer once installation is complete. Choose recovery from iOS device on the Phone interface. Click Start Scan to allow Dr. Phone to scan your iPhone for deleted data, including WhatsApp messages. Once the scan completes, Dr. Phone will display a list of recoverable items. Navigate to the WhatsApp message section to preview deleted and existing messages. Select the deleted messages you want to recover. Click Recover and choose whether to save them on your computer or directly back to your iPhone. And there you have it. With Dr. Phone, recovering deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone is straightforward. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.